Another day, another luto day. This morning of Tuesday, so we are going to cook baon. So I have here tilapia. So prito suntain na tilapia for the baon. For easy cooking, lalo na pang baon, you can prito tilapia. Prinito natin. So, kagigising lang and this is will be my baon for today. So, we're going to wait until it's brown and maging crispy ang ating tilapia. So, na golden brown na siya. I have here baonan, aglas baonan. Ma-fry kita ng fried rice, coffee while waiting for our tilapia. Hindi lang mag-prepare ng baon. Just fry your making baon-baon. Luto na ating tilapia. Ihaon na natin siya sa kahirapan. Very, 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 very golden brown. Put our bahaw fried rice. So, mekos natin siya. So, what I love here is to have fried garlic. We have to put fried garlic. So, diba? Ang dami-dami kong fried garlic ko galing sa farm. Mekos-mekos together. Ang bango. So, kung wala kayong fried garlic, butangan mo, pukon mo ang bawang. Ang bango-bango. Taste it. Mm. Nice. What are you waiting for? Prepare na for your baon and for breakfast. So, I'm ready. May baonan. I'm preparing for my baon for today, Tuesday. Maraming salamat mga ka-Jollibee. Welcome to my Jollibee Kitchen and luto na kayo ng inyong pamahawan at pangbaon sa work or sa school. Bye! Thank you for watching.